Hi everyone, today in front of me I have HONOR Magic4 Pro smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. Alright, so first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of the screen in order for this notification and control center to appear. Next, find the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold on it, or you can get to the Wi-Fi settings from the general settings app as well. Next, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the network that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it, and once tapped on, you'll see this QR code that you simply need to scan in order for any other device to be automatically connected to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.